Hey, welcome. Hey, welcome to the channel, the product review. So today I'm going to review the product name is NinjaKash. Yes. Are you sick and tired of wasting hours of your time setting up affiliate promos and paying a ton of money getting traffic on them? Only to never see them get any sales? Revealed a cloud based app that creates SEO optimized affiliate funnels to build you a list and get targeted traffic. Yes, completely done for you. High converting affiliate funnels you will get in this product. So let's move on. Here you will get complete unlimited high converting affiliate funnel, fast and easy. Promote any offer in any niche hands free. SEO optimize, mobile responsive. Drive tons of targeted traffic from top social platforms. Build your list and boost affiliate sales is no time in no time. No monthly fee ever. Yes, if you are interested in this product, you will get the link in description. Go to the video description and click to the link and get this product. And this is launched on 2nd Feb 2022. So just if you want to come on this page, if you like that product, just go to this page while clicking the link in description. So let's move on and know more about this product. So finally get started with the affiliate marketing system that gets you viral traffic and leads. Now creating an affiliate funnel is a simple three-step method that goes like: step 1, insert your affiliate link; step 2, choose from our gorgeous and proven converting affiliate funnel templates. So now just select and edit from our library to create your own affiliate funnel. Super simple and super easy. Enjoy free traffic. Now our software put this affiliate funnel on active mode. That is a SEO, social and viral traffic machine. So let's move on. No installation, no coding and designing, no tech stuffs. So this is super simple, easy for you. In just minute, you can make your e-learning site live and start selling unlimited copies of your courses and build a huge list of all that at the same time. Now 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 check out the floods of free and targeted traffic that our users are getting hands free. Yes, here you can see 2.3k per day viral hits on FB with zero ad spend. Yes, here you can see the sales dashboard today 519.25, yesterday $1000. And I believe I can tell you also can do this from this product, from by creating your own sales funnel, own converting sales funnel. And this product will help you. If you are interested in this product, if you want the results like this, you will get the link in the description. Click on the link which is in description and come on this page and get this product. That's it, and just start building your own empire. So if you are really interested, if you super interested to make this kind of sales, if you are super interested to make money like this, if you are really interested about your dreams, if you want to achieve something, just come over there and get this product, link in the description. And this is the best investment for your. Just come over there and check the product. That's it. Thank you. Come and get the complete knowledge of this product on this page. Just come and get this product. Thank you so much.